companies like Jollibee, Ayala, or even Globe raise money? Or why people scream about buying the dip and selling high? The stock market is a place where fortunes are made, risks are taken, and financial dreams come true or crash. But what really is a stock market? Why should business owners or finance students in the Philippines even care? Welcome back to Project Accounting. In today's video, we'll break it all down. What stock markets are, why they matter to financial managers, the difference between the NYSE, NASDAQ, and our very own PSE, and how you can make sense of it all. Let's dive in. The stock market is like the ultimate palengke, but instead of buying fish or vegetables, you're buying ownership and companies. It's a place where people trade stocks, which represent a piece of a company, and the goal? Buy low, sell high. Here's the secret for business owners and financial managers. Stock prices are not just random numbers, they are a performance scorecard. The higher the stock price, the more valuable the company. So, what's the financial manager's job? Maximize the value of the firm. And that often means making decisions that investors will like: smart investments, steady growth, and of course, managing risks. Let's talk about the two types of stock markets you'll hear most about. Physical location exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange (NYSE). Picture a massive room where brokers shout, trade, and match buy or sell orders. It's like a controlled chaos auction. Then the electronic dealer markets like Nasdaq. Instead of yelling, you've got computer screens. Dealers maintain inventory of stocks and quote prices they're willing to buy or bid and sell or ask. The difference? That is called the bid-ask spread. It is their profit. Pop quiz. If a stock is illiquid and risky, is the bid-ask spread likely to be wide or narrow? The answer? It is wide because dealers take on more risk. Now, let's bring it home. The Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE is the only stock exchange in the Philippines. It used to have two locations, Makati and Ortigas, but today it is fully unified and digital. No screaming brokers here, just clicks and taps. Unlike the US, we don't have a Nasdaq equivalent or OTC market. That means all listed companies from Ayala Land to Merrimart are traded on this single exchange. So how does PSE compare? NYSE is like the granddaddy of exchanges, traditional, massive, with big name. Nasdaq is the cool tech-savvy cousin, home to Google, Microsoft, and Tesla. PSE, it is smaller but growing and key to Philippine capital markets. The truth, most Filipinos still don't invest in stocks, but that's changing. With platforms like COL Financial, BDO Securities, or Gcash Invest, buying stocks is easier than ever. And you don't need millions. You can start investing with just 1,000 pesos. So whether you're a student, freelancer, or side hustler, learning how the stock market works could be your gateway to building wealth. For example, Jollibee listed on the PSE in 1993. Back then, shares were worth around 9 pesos. Fast forward to today, and at its peak, the price went over 300 pesos. That's a delicious return for early investors. Another example, in 2021, Mon Nissin, makers of Lucky Me, raised over 48 billion pesos in its IPO. This shows how powerful the stock market is as a fundraising tool for companies. So, what did we learn today? The stock market is essential for both companies and investors. Financial managers must understand how stock prices reflect their decisions, and PSE may be smaller than NYSE and NASDAQ, but it's our gateway to economic growth. So if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more financial content simplified for Filipino students, freelancers, and future finance pros. Comment below, are you investing in the stock market? If not, what's stopping you? Let's start the conversation. This is Project Accounting reminding you knowledge is power. Whether you're investing 1,000 pesos or 1 million pesos, it pays to understand where your money goes. See you in the next video.